Now open the box.
Ooh, what's cooking, everybody? Wilfredo the Porkchop. I got a little acquisition here. This one's more personal to me than anything else, so if you're not interested in ones that aren't like regular action figures or whatever, that's fine. You can skip this one, but if you just want to get your fix of the Porkchop or whatever, that's fine. Okay? So, anyway, let's check it out and let's see what's inside here. Alright, here we go. Porkchop! Nailed it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Okay, here we go. I've opened up the packaging, and here it is. Okay. Oh, you're so cute. Look at this little piggy. Oh, you're so cute, aren't you? Oh, yes, you are. You're a new piggy here. You new member of family now, okay? There you go. So, I'm gonna put you right over here. You'll be safe there. Alright. Cute little pig. What should we name the pig? What do you think? Should we give it a name? Or whatever? I don't know. Anyway. I'm just kidding there. It's all good there. Alright, this is what was in here. Flash drive. Okay, and I like that this came with a keychain here. This is...
A few minutes later.
Okay, I've seen these kind of flash drives before. The ones that they just stick in. There's no compartment to open up here. So basically it's a microchip attached to a USB 3 port thing or whatever. So this is going to go in here. A couple of adapters if I want to go to micro USB or USB-C here, which is fantastic here. I think I have a USB-C one, but I do not have a micro. Well, I do now anyway. But yeah, and what's the significance of this here? My entire YouTube legacy is right here on this flash drive. Because if you, as you well know, my original YouTube was zonked out in the beginning of 2020 for some stupid reason or whatever. I honestly don't remember what happened there. They said it was some sort of violation of terms or some nonsense like that. And it was just before the pandemic started. I spent about a year, granted because there was nobody working here or whatever, algorithms and all that stuff, they're trying to fight it. I finally got hold of a human being and they rejected it, so I was like, great. So I thought all that work was gone, so I started another YouTube, which is now the Archives channel. That's going to be pretty much for, whatchamacallit, Twitch streams and clips, stuff like that, you know. Some Twitch clips will be here as well, of course, and maybe if I do live streams or whatever, if I figure out the minutia there, then I'll, you know, whatever, but, you know, anyway, and finally, not too long ago, my dear friend and YouTube manager, jtomally9681, who, linked to his stuff is in the description below here, of course, I guess was just poking around, and then he saw, hey, he was able to access something about my old channel and say, hey, would you like to file an appeal for this, you know, to get it back? And he was like, okay, cool, he did that, unbeknownst to me, and then he told me out of the blue, and I was shocked.
A few minutes later.
So he decided, okay, yeah, sure, I'll try to file the appeal or whatever there, and it was approved almost immediately, and so my channel was brought back after 4 years of basically being non-existent there. So a lot of videos that I fortunately had thought I'd lost have been recovered, and so since then he's been working to archive copies of them and put them onto a flash drive for me, and that's what this says here. So all of my videos, even ones that have probably been seen by maybe like only one person or nobody at all that are on my YouTube, some that are privated, are here on this. So I'm going to archive this and make sure all of these are preserved for, you know, in case I need to, you know, something happens on my YouTube again, if I have to start over. At least I have it all right here on this. So, which I'm very happy about. So I want to give a special shout out to my bro there and everybody who supported me from day one there, you know, and I want to thank y'all for that, okay? Every single one of you there, you know, Fish Kid, BD, Rose, Delana, you know, JT, of course, you know, Grim, everybody, thank you all. Appreciate y'all there. Laters. You little pig.
I'm your pizza man. I'm your pizza man. Don't forget to call your favorite pizza man. $12.50, please.